So how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Just like last week, this is going to be my recap video from the week where I show you my live trades and just kind of give an overview of how I did from the last week. Now if you watched my last video, you will know that I am trading options again. I'm not trading only options, I'm also trading the Apex futures trading evaluation, but I also have a small Webull account with about $400 in it, and I like to use that to trade the big names like Nvidia, Apple, AMD, Tesla, because I often find good setups on those names. So that's mainly what I traded this week. Now last week I had a decent week trading options. I got about a 10% gain on my Webull account, but this week not so much. I had about a 6% red week, so I really kind of gave back some of that gains. Kind of over traded a little bit. Felt like I kind of forced some setups too, but I still had a few good wins in there. So anyway, let's just go ahead and get into it so I can show you the trades. So enjoy the live trading. I'm short on Nvidia here. See if we can get a rejection of this key level. Apple just made a new low. Apple's just drilling. Tesla broke below its key level. The problem is AMD is holding up. I don't like this strength on AMD. Nvidia's fighting. Can we hold below VWAP? 5 minute looks good. I don't know if I like this. I'm getting out. That's not a good sign. Yeah, look at AMD, are you serious? Tesla looks like it could be setting up a bearish break and retest. I wanted to touch 250 though. I'm short on Tesla here. I want to see how we react to this 250 level. I really like the way the 5 minute looks on this trade right now. The problem is that the futures are starting to get very bullish. Okay, we're still rejecting this area. Apple is also still very weak. This is what the futures are looking like right now. Starting to come down a little bit. There, if I do this, now I can't even look at the lower time frames. If we can't stay below the VWAP here, I'm gonna get out. It didn't work out. Yeah, it's kind of disappointing. I was definitely looking for a low day there. Alright, I'm short on Meta here. Yeah, this is basically just a simple break and retest. Pre-market low as well as a pivot point here. And the futures are looking weak. Let me show you what they're looking like. Just trending straight down. We took yet another loss. The setup was there, break and retest. The markets were looking weak, went short, got stopped out. I'm short on Tesla here. Stop is going to be the VWAP. Yeah, this is pretty bearish price action. I took a pretty cheap contract though. I don't know if it's going to move that much, but the futures are very weak right now. And this looks like it has room down. We'll see if we can get down to 246. But yeah, honestly, I kind of got a late entry on this trade. It's pulling back a little bit. I want to see if this could potentially be a place to add. Apple's weak. This is what the futures are looking like. Pretty weak. Gonna get through 247, that'd be nice. Yeah, these contracts are not moving like crazy, but they're still moving. Okay, I want to take profit. Probably right here. Yeah. I'm gonna take that off. We got the scalp down. Should have taken bigger size on that. Those contracts were not very good. Nvidia is interesting here. It pushed back up into a 5-minute fair value gap and it still looks very weak. Makes me kind of interested in shorting it. I kind of want to see it touch the VWAP first. We'll see if AMD rejects this level. I'm short on Nvidia here. Gotta be careful here. Yeah, things suddenly kind of flipped bullish. Alright, probably my last trade of the day, but I'm taking a short on Meta, just like I did yesterday. This is the same setup, though I'm probably going to put in a hard stop. This is a nice break and retest of this key level. I'm going to be nice and patient now. Wait for this to make its way down. Alright, Meta has finally given us a move down. Does this hold though? Do we move our stop to break even? These contracts are definitely starting to decay. I would really like it if we could make a low a day. Nah, just get out. Yeah, that's just... yeah, the theta decay really kind of killed me there. So we got out for break even. We're down $1 on the day. I'm getting a starter position on Apple here. This is a very cheap option, but I want to be a part of it. So this Apple looks like it has room up to this channel high. I don't know if we're going to get all the way up there today, but I think it's worth at least giving this a shot, considering how bullish the markets are today. This is what the futures are looking like, just straight up. If we break this low here, I'll just have to cut it and possibly re-enter at 180. Okay, yeah, I'm getting out of that. We'll see if we pull back to 180. I think that'd be a much better entry. Okay, futures are pushing back up. There might have been a trap right there. We barely broke this low, and now it's holding up. Alright, I'm going to buy one of these contracts here on Apple, because to me this definitely still looks like a bullish setup. And I might add another one if we pull back all the way to 180. Okay, let's see how we react to this level here. The futures are starting to pull back a little bit, so if we can't hold this level, we'll just have to cut it and probably be done for the day. Yeah, we're not executing well today at all. No way. Alright, last chance. We're giving Apple one last chance to hold this level. 5-minute looks good. Futures are starting to bounce again. If we break below this low, we're out. Alright, I'm scaling out of 1 there just because it's just a smart thing to do with where I'm at in the day. I'm getting out here. The futures are just... they have a very large red candle here. Alright, I'm short on Tesla. This is my last trade. I know I'm kind of over trading, but look at this setup, man. Plus, I'm not down much on the day because I kind of made some of it back on that last Apple trade, but futures are still weak. Tesla rejecting VWAP and 250. Definitely worth a shot to the downside. Alright, we'll see if we reject 250 here. But man, now the futures are starting to bounce. We'll see if it rejects. If not, I have to get out of this and then just and just turn my computer off. Alright, we got that rejection off 250. We're starting to get some nice downside selling pressure here. Now the question is, where do we take profit? I'm tempted to hold for a low of day break. That just seems too greedy. This is technically 5-minute demand, so we could take it off right around 247. I don't know. I don't want to get too greedy, especially because I've overtraded today. I might just take this off now. I'm going to sell this. There's a good chance that this keeps going down, but I'm okay with that trade right there. Plus, we barely made it back to green on the day. So we wiped away all those losses, although still not happy with my execution, because yeah, I definitely overtraded. So there you have it. Those were most of my trades from the week. Now I did not show all of them because I just had like way too many. Like I said, I kind of overtraded. But yeah, I didn't have the most exciting week, and I definitely made quite a few mistakes, but that is okay. I'm still a fairly new trader, and I journaled through all these trades, and I'm trying very hard to correct my mistakes because I want to be able to get to the point where I can grow a small account consistently, just like every trader wants to. So I hope you all can appreciate me being transparent about that. So anyway, yeah, that's it for this video. I'm just going to keep on doing the same thing each and every week, and I really appreciate those of you that are following me along my journey. I'm going to keep on doing my absolute best to keep on making these videos as well as short form content. I do want to make more YouTube shorts, so let me know if you'd like to see more of that. But that's it for today, so thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.